This is a video of freshwater nematode species under 1000 times magnification. The internal parts are clearly visible: mouth and buccal cavity, pharynx, intestines, gonads. It is hard to identify the genus, but by the look of mouth it might be omnivorous genus, feeding on bacteria, dead matters and small protozoa. The video was recorded in black-white for better details visibility. Let me know if you like it and consider subscribing for more content like that. Write in the comments what would you like to see under microscope and I will try to create for you. Enjoy!